Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin tweets from your Twitter profile. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Profile. Once you are on your profile, choose the post you want to unpin. Simply tap on 3 vertical dots and tap on Unpin from Profile. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Unpin. So that is how you unpin tweets from your Twitter profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.